location of the OIS was Lamb Boulevard and Alto Avenue in a desert lot, Las Vegas, Nevada, 89115, which is in the Northeast Area Command, and you can see the scene on to the left.
2021, 11:56 and 18 seconds.
911 emergency. McGarty.
Yeah, there's a guy I seen walking down the Lamb with a knife and cut on his neck.
Where are you at?
On Lamb, before Cheyenne.
On Lamb and Cheyenne?
Yeah, before Cheyenne.
Okay, so where on Lamb? Is he on the northbound or the southbound side?
The northbound.
Okay, so you're northbound lanes before Cheyenne?
Yes.
So northbound north of?
Yeah, in the desert area.
What's going on?
There's a guy with a knife.
What is he doing?
He got cuts on his neck. I don't know. He's acting crazy.
So he's bleeding?
Yeah.
Where's the desert area?
Right after.
Are you just past the seal?
I think it's before the seal.
You don't know how close it is?
No.
How long ago did you see him?
He's out there right now.
Okay, so you see him from where you are?
No, I just drove by him.
Okay, so you drove past him, what, 2 minutes ago?
Yeah.
Okay. So you think it's before Cecile?
Yeah, I think he's trying to hurt himself or somebody.
Okay, do you know if he's near Alto?
You know what, I don't even...
You don't know?
And before Cheyenne, northbound.
Okay, but you think before Cecile?
Yes, I think so.
Okay, so not even close to that one, Cecile.
Could you hurry up? I think he's going crazy out
Is he
there.
white, black, Hispanic, Asian?
I think he's just a brown guy. I couldn't tell.
Okay, so is black or Hispanic?
No.
Is he threatening anybody?
Yeah, he's trying to... I think he's trying to harm himself.
Okay, but is he threatening anybody else or no?
I don't know. There's just blood everywhere.
Okay.
And he's screaming.
Did you see the knife?
Yeah.
Okay.
And blood on his hands.
Blood on his hands?
Yeah, and on his neck.
79. Let's start medical. If you haven't done so yet.
79.
Control 2, Frank, I'll be out with one. He's got a knife in his hand. Give me a rest.
Hey,
Hey, drop the fucking knife!